Have you registered for the NISM Series 8 exam and don't know how to download the admit card? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you the complete process in easy steps without any confusion. Step 1. First, go to the official NISM website. You will find the link in the description box. Just click on it and open the site. Step 2. Now, enter your registered email ID and password that you used during registration. Then click on the login button. After logging in, your dashboard will open. Step 3. Go to the My Enrolments section on the top of the dashboard. Here, you will see the list of your upcoming exams. Step 4. Search for your examination and then click on the 3 dots shown to your exam. You will see the admit card option. Click on it. Step 5. Now your admit card will open in PDF format. Click on the download icon to save it. Make sure to take a printout of your admit card and carry it on the exam day. Without admit card, you will not be allowed to enter the exam hall. Don't forget to carry your Aadhaar card or PAN card with you. Calculator is allowed in the exam hall. For complete NISM exam guidance, mock test, live classes, short notes and video lectures, visit our website www.nismexams.in. Link is in the description.